Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and software so the SSD becomes a reliable system drive. Update the Pi 5 firmware and Raspberry Pi OS first, because boot support and drivers matter. Once done, connect the NVMe inside a USB 3.0 enclosure that supports USB, or use a recommended adapter. Make sure the power supply can handle the SSD's peak draw, and keep a powered hub on hand if you see brownouts. Now power down for the physical connection. You now connect the SSD and prepare it for the operating system. Power up the Pi with the enclosure attached. Identify the drive name from LSB-LK. Partition and format the target partition as ext4, set a clear label, and enable discard so trim works. Then copy the root file system. Use rsync at HAX or DD if you need a block-level clone, preserving permissions, symlinks, and device nodes. Once the copy completes, update fstab and ensure UIDs match, so mounts are deterministic at boot. You finish by switching boot to the SSD and validating the setup. Update the Pi bootloader, set USB as the preferred boot medium, and edit the boot config to point root equals to the SSD's UID, then reboot. After boot, verify with mount and df that root is on the SSD, and run a quick read/write test. If booting fails, check dmesc and journoctl for USB or power errors, try a different cable or enclosure, and consider enabling compatibility mode or using a power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.